If your project folder looks like this, we need to talk. This isn't just messy, it's dangerous, especially when you're working with AI. One wrong move and you have leaked your API keys or lost a version of a script that finally worked. Hi everyone, I'm Amlan Pati. Today we are going to build a quick AI physics code generator, but the real focus is how we use Git to manage that project, solving common headaches like version hell and keeping your private API keys safe. To be clear, this is just the basic Git workflow required to get you started. I'll be uploading a much more detailed deep dive video on Git in the future. I'll write a quick script that uses the Gemini API to give us inspiring physics quotes. It's simple, we send a request to Google servers and it sends back wisdom from the likes of Einstein or Feynman. But look at this line. This is a secret. If I upload this code to the internet as is, anyone can steal my API credits. I need a way to track my code without exposing my secrets. This is where Git becomes essential. Git is a version control. It's like a save game system for your code. To start, we type git init. This creates a hidden database that tracks every single character we change. If I type git status, Git says, hey, I see a new file called generate.py, but I'm not tracking it yet. It's in the unstaged limbo. Before we save anything, we need a shield. I'm creating a file called .gitignore. Inside, I'm simply typing the name of my environment files. Now, Git will completely ignore them. This is how you share your logic with the world without sharing your private keys. Now, let's create a save point. We use two commands. First, git add dot. This stages our files like putting items in a shopping cart. Second, git commit. The hyphen M is your message to your future self. It describes what you did. We have officially recorded a version of our project in time. Now, let's try out our code. We will enter a topic, let's say gravity, and here we get the physics code. Finally, we want this on the cloud. I have created a repository on GitHub to link my local folder to the cloud. I use git remote add origin followed by my URL, and then the final command git push -u origin main. And just like that, our code is live on GitHub. Now that we have a basic Git idea, we can start building projects. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.